What is the relationship between you and your husband?
But my husband also attacked from the 200 gundas, they are entering to the house.
200 gundas? Did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
come? Raising voice
I will not.
is not going to
certainly
help
not.
any of the parties before this bench.
Certainly, ma'am.
You are relying upon a supplementary without giving a copy.
Yes, madam.
Is this fair? Had he been your other side, what would you have done?
But total story is in the petition.
Now, story, the sequel, the court does not know anything about it.
Yes.
Please give a copy.
Yes. This is a matter, where petitioner husband belongs to opposition worker, opposition party worker. You should kindly see that page 5, para 3.
Yes.
That is.
Tell me what is there. If I have to go through everything, then it will take time.
Come to page 40. My complaint before the police officer.
Page 40.
Page 40. This is a Bengali complaint.
Yes.
আমি উক্ত স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা এত সেকেন্ড পারা সেই সময় নিমিত্ত
What is the relief that you have sought for in this complaint?
Dual one protection of the police because I am not entering for the last 15 days to my house.
Who is stopping you from entering?
Not protecting on behalf of police authority and also some ruling party Gunda and other also there also.
Why will they stop you from entering your own house?
That is the question, I made. This is a true. You should kindly see the photograph.
What is the relationship between you and your husband?
With husband, as usual.
Cordial relationship,
yes,
or
yes,
acrimonious relationship?
No dispute.
No dispute?
No dispute with her.
No marital discord and no proceeding, nothing?
See, totally politically, politically,
You and your husband belong to two diverse political parties?
No, same party, same party,
I cannot understand the equation.
The Lordship will understand the equation once your Lordship
private respondent grab the house. The main problem is that private respondent used to grab the house. You should kindly come to page 43.
So many private respondents?
Yes,
Why?
Because they are entering to the
house.
Who
is your husband? 7. Your husband is?
My husband not in the picture. My husband with me, They are other side, opposite party, They are private respondent. They are outsider,
They are restraining you. What is your husband doing?
But my husband also, attacked from the 200 gundas, They are entering to the house,
200 gundas? Did you count?
Yes.
And he's still very well.
Picture, 43, 43, page 43, That is a picture, You kindly see 43 and subsequently, 49,
Tell me what you want.
I want only police protection as well as
to enter your house.
Yes, They are destructing my house also,
Destructing your house?
Yes,
Yes, state. What is your instruction?
Well, the instruction is very simple. The private respondent and the petitioner herein are in the quarrel of a particular land in question. The private respondent had constructed the petitioner constructed a tin barricade in front of the respondents. Over the issues, the quarrel has been taken place. Several counter FIR has been lodged. One prime accused on the basis of the complaint has been arrested. This is the investigation is in progress, and other one this is also recorded in the as a FIR, and this is still on progress. Lordship, kindly peruse paragraph.
But then at least let these people enter their own house.
I have nothing to say, This is absolutely private in
private dispute between the parties.
This is not fair. I am not disturbed. Now, this is everyone is coming, more particularly is coming and saying, I am being attacked by a political parties or otherwise, which is absolutely false. Absolutely false.
Leave the politics aside.
No, I will not. I will. So far, Lordship,
please wait.
Lordship, kindly peruse one thing. There are 10 numbers of the private respondents are there. Lordship would go through their version as well. So far, we are here, we are ready to provide all sort of helps impartially. But this person's presence before your Lordships, I believe it is necessary.
Yes, has it been served? Copy of the petition has. Who has received? Private respondents?
Not receivable because leave has been granted last day. 2 days before, my lord. I have already served, my lord. My lord, you say kindly see my lord, property, my lord, details, my lord. Page
See,
31.
listen, fact
I'm the lawful
remains
owner.
there is a private dispute
No,
with
my lord,
regard
this is
to
not a private
possession.
issue. Totally false by the police authority. They are, my lord, they are taking, my lord, concocted story because, my lord, I am the lawful owner, my lord. You should kindly see that page 31, my lord. This is the porcha and other verification, my lord, deed, my lord, all the things, my lord, sale deed, my lord. Because of that, you should kindly see the complaint, my lord. Kindly complain.
My lord, may I
40.
just indicate only one
Why
thing?
police is, my lord, the police authority is, my lord,
My lord, very
disrupting,
well,
my lord,
very well.
state.
My lord,
Because
only-
of that, their interest. They are vested interest. That is why
Interest
they
আছে
are
আমাদের?
because what? Because I made complaint before.
Whose vested interest?
Who's with-
Because I belongs to BJP worker, BJP party, my booth was working at the time of election. This is a post-poll violence, just like a because you can see that.
Poll is over in
Yes,
your
yes,
case.
Raiganj, entire that is over,
Alright.
So this is the situation, which after polling the because of my police authority did not taken any step for the last 2 months, I made several complaints before the district magistrate, SP. You also can see that SP complaint, superintendent police, police has not taken any steps, Page 52, May I read,
Please come.
Page 50.
My lord, only one thing I would like to indicate. my lord.
Kindly protect me to leave my own house, Only this is my interim PR,
Yes.
A police picket has already been deployed over the millet place.
This place.
This place. Lordship,
Show me
kindly-
your, yes. The submission that you are making that a police picket has been provided
Yes.
implies that there is something more to what you say.
No, Lordship, kindly peruse my report, my lord. The paragraph number, my lord, second onwards during the inquiry.
Where do I get that police picket?
The last paragraph, your lordship would see, my lord, in the last paragraph. It is also to be mentioned that the petitioner and her family are residing in their home peacefully. A police picket has also been deployed to ensure safety and security of the victim, which referred to the letter such and such, Itahar, PSGT number.
I
such
am
and
not
such.
entering to the house.
My lord, what he is submitting, my lord, I don't understand.
Don't raise your voice.
I'm extremely sorry.
They are,
I am not making my
Listen,
going on by the police authority.
raising voice
I will not, my
is
lord.
not going to
Certainly
help
not.
any of the parties before this bench.
Certainly, my lord. Certainly.
I'll simply release the matter and it will be of no help to anybody.
Sorry.
So please don't raise your voice.
I am not raising my voice.
The petitioner alleges that the private respondents are deliberately not permitting her and her family members to enter into her own house only because of the reason that the petitioner and the private respondents belong to diverse political parties. Stop. Complaint was lodged before the inspector in charge, Itahar Police Station, on 11th of May 2024. An allegation is that the same has not been acted upon. Paragraph. The copy of the writ petition could not be served upon the private respondents as the writ petition was moved on urgent basis after obtaining leave of the court. Stop. Paragraph. The state is represented by the learned advocate. Stop. The officer in the inspector in charge, Itahar Police Station, has forwarded a report signed on 23rd of May 2024, from which it appears that indeed there is some amount of disturbance in the area, because which the police has deployed a police picket to ensure safety and security of the victims, which refers to Itahar PS GDE number 563 dated 11th of May 2024. Stop. Next. It has been submitted that the police is investigating the case that has been registered. Stop. Paragraph. As the petitioner has annexed documents to show that the land in question is recorded in her name and the house belongs to the petitioner. Accordingly, the inspector in charge, Itahar Police Station, is directed to ensure that the petitioner and her family members are put back to the house from where they were ousted. Stop. Next. The police shall ensure that there is no breach of peace in and around the said locality. Stop. The matter is made returnable on 10th June 2024 before the regular bench. Stop. The police is directed to file updated report on the adjourned date. Stop. Let copy of the writ petition be served upon the private respondents communicating the order of the court. Stop. The private respondents are restrained from interfering in any manner whatsoever with regard to the entry and exit of the petitioner into their own premises.
One illness may be taken into consideration.
Yes.
CCTV footage is there,
Where?
that in front of the petitioner house, because Panchayat authority has been made some.
The Panchayat is maintaining the CCTV.
Yes, that is also I made application in the
It, it is functional, you say?
Yes,
For the
time being.
It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioner that there is a CCTV in front of the petitioner's premises. Stop. Let the CCTV footages be properly preserved by the Panchayat authority.
Yes. And also police authority also.
In that case, by the police. Stop. A supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner be taken on record. Let copy of the same be served upon the non-appearing respondents.
Only
yes.
One indulgence, Millet. Lordship kindly peruse. Millet. According to my report, Millet, it has been mentioned that the petitioner and her family are residing in their home.
Yes. If they are residing, they are residing.
Lordship kindly record this submission.
That is
to be recorded.
False story.
Nothing to be recorded.
Story,
Please record everybody's appearance.
So what kind of matter you do?
Item 2.
Evidence.
Please enter your appearances, all the parties. Item number 2 is your matter. Yes.
Your Lordship,